Hello, so it's day 5 and let's log our daily progress. Okay, so today in the Jarvis system I've added a system monitor which will monitor the CPU, memory, temperature and other stats, and which I can access it through the email again. It will also send me those at the boot, like whenever it starts. Then I have added alerts, so whenever memory or CPU or RAM, if any of this crosses the threshold, it will send me an alert with some snarky response that it's going out of hands. Um, Also updated some personality traits. It was stuck with the Jarvis from Iron Man. Made some tweaks to get it back into real life. Then also optimized Jarvis further to reroute to avoid some reroutes within the system for simple responses. Then added memory persist feature, which basically within the given chat of email, it can persist that memory for that specific like for the session. So if I want to get some, like if I ask the Jarvis about something that I've already talked about, Jarvis already knows that. Then also added self configuration mode. So now Jarvis can self configure its own config, like the humor level or the owner email. So lot of things, the threshold of the system stats, so that everything those configs, Jarvis can self configure. Also I can configure them from the email interface. Added multi-user mode. It's still under testing, but basically if I ask Jarvis to add some X email ID to service list, so that will be added to a service list. Service list will be the users where they will have access to use Jarvis to research, to get to talk, to basically to chat, to do research, to do analysis, but they cannot actually change anything like this self configuration. They will have the restriction, they cannot actually change anything. And again I will have always have the access, like the admin will always have the access to remove them from the list. Then the final thing, I'm almost at the end of this project, where I think the major development is done. Of whatever development is pending, like whatever that I'm gonna be doing afterwards is gonna be small updates to the existing system. So I've already pushed the code to GitHub. So yeah, the code is now on the GitHub. I've added README and everything. So if anyone wants, they can access it. They can check it out. They can tweak the Jarvis as they want. And yeah, that's all we did today. Also, that's for the tech part. From last few days, I was consumed with this Jarvis project. Today I felt little relief when Jarvis is working fine, and like it's more resilient, more robust now. I still feel like some fixes can be done, but that we can do on the fly. Okay, second thing about the gaming channel, as I was using Faceless Reels, facelessreels.com website for that. It's going good. I want to test few more before we conclude if we want to use that. Probably I will use hybrid mode, where I will post some from video games and some from that automation. And also I played RDR today, Red Dead Redemption, and also captured a few videos, recorded few videos. Let's see if I get some time tomorrow. I'll edit them and we'll post it on the gaming channel. So yeah, that's all update for this day 5. Today is it's 1 May. Actually the progress was of 30th April, but by the time I'm recording this, it's already 1 May and 2026. Now the time is 1:41 a.m. and yeah, that's all for this video. I will add the screenshots after this, and thanks for watching.